Hi folks, how are you all doing today? I'm back with the video again. So yeah, I hope you remember in the previous video we have actually created the quiz app, right? So not really completed doing this because we only have seen the purpose of the app and we also saw how to design this app, right? So I will show you one more time like what all the design things we have used in this and how did we really design this quiz app, right? So, and then we'll see how to code it, and then we will test this application for the result, right? So, if everything works fine, that means we have successfully created it, or else we have to recheck this, right? So, we'll be doing all these things today, okay? The debugging things, etc. Everything we will be seeing how to actually code this kind of a multi-screen app, right? So, this is for the first time you're creating a multi-screen app in the series, right? So, yeah, I am excited to complete this app with you all. So, let's see how to do this. Okay. If you have not watched my previous videos, so please do go back to my channel, Folks Hub, open the playlist Applab, and do check out all my videos. Do watch all my videos in the series for understanding the CodeStudio, Applab projects, etc. Right? So you will understand all of these better only when you are watching them in a sequence. Okay, so do go back to my playlist and do watch all my videos in the series, right? So let's quickly get started with the video, right? I'm so sorry. So now I will show you all the screens which I have. So I'm just clicking on screen one. This is my main screen, right? Where the app starts off with this first screen only. Okay. When you click on Start Quiz app, it will take you to Q1 screen where you will see the first question, right? So when you click on Next button over here, then you will see Q2 screen where you will see the second question with the second set of options. Again, when you click on Next here, then you will see Q3 screen where you will see the third question with different set of options. When you click on Next, it will show you a thank you slide saying thank you for attempting the quiz, right? So this is gonna be our sequence of code which we have to do today. Okay, so let's start off with the first screen, right? So this is our first screen, and to start coding your app from the first screen, you have to first set the screen to screen one. Okay, to start executing your app from the first screen, you have to use set screen component. So set screen will set the screen to the screen whichever you want your app to be starting off with. So I want to start my app with screen 1, so I'm setting the screen to screen 1. Okay, then I have a button on the screen 1 saying button 3, right? So on event, you can, if you want, you can also change the id as a start button. So this is up to you if you want to change it or no, but be careful with the ids and all, because if you are messing up with the ids, that means your app will not work. Okay, so if you really don't understand these ids, then you can absolutely go back to design, right? Click on the button, just change the id from button 3 to start button so that you will understand this better. That's it. Okay, so you can do this for all other components also, no problem at all. Okay, so there's a start button now, so I'm just clicking on the id over here, and let's just see where's our start button. So here is our start button. On event start button click, when start button is clicked, then we have to move to Q1 screen. That means we have to set the screen to Q1 screen. So let's just scroll down to get set screen component again. So set screen to Q1 screen. Okay. So now, so let's go to Q1 screen to see what we can do. So this is the first question. The first question will be visible to the user now, right? So he has to choose the correct option over here, right? So let's suppose he is clicking on Jawaharlal Nehru, but Jawaharlal Nehru is not the correct answer, right? So who is the current Prime Minister of India? Current Prime Minister is Mr. Narendra Modi, right? So that means if he clicks on Jawaharlal Nehru, we have to show that the user has chosen a wrong answer, right? So to do this, what do we have to do? Again, we have to take the on event only, because the here again we are having a click event which is occurring, right? So the button click event, radio button click event, right? So that's why let's choose the ID over here. So it's the radio button. It's not properly visible over here. Let's go to design. Let's click on this. This is radio button 1. Next one is Q1 answer. Then radio button 3, radio button 4. Okay. So it's 1, Q1 answer, 3 and 4. So I'm just clicking on radio button 1. So on event radio button 1 click. Then we have to set the text on the label, result label, saying, so this is a wrong answer, right? So I will just take set text, then I'm choosing result label 1 over here. So result label 1, the text will be wrong answer, wrong answer, or you can say oops, wrong answer. I'm sorry. So it's over here. Oops, wrong answer, right? So this is for the first button. Then we have the Q1 answer button, right? So before coding this, I would like to code for the other two radio buttons which are wrong answers only, right? So this is radio button 3 and this is radio button 4. Okay, we have to set the text on result label 1 itself, so I'm not changing that one. Okay, so let's just paste this one more time. So I've just pasted it over here. I'm just dragging this down. So here we have to choose Q1 answer now, right? So let's choose Q1 answer. When Q1 answer click, then we have to say that, hmm, let's say, wow, correct answer. Okay, so you can write anything. I am just writing this one, right? So this is all for the radio buttons we have coded, right? We have coded the label and the radio buttons. We have this button now, which is button 4, next button. So I'm just taking another on event. Sorry, this should be below this. On event, button 4 click. So let's see where's button 4. So on event button 4 click, we have to set the screen to Q2 screen this time, right? So I'm just taking set screen. So set screen to Q2 screen. Okay. So now let's go to Q2 screen over here. So this is the second screen, right? Second question screen. So we almost have to code it in the similar way, right? So what I will do, I will just copy this all, right? And we can just change the IDs for making this to this particular screen, right? Adaptable to this particular screen. So I will I will copy it from the radio button code, right? Yeah, this is all. So I'm just copying it using Control C and pasting it using Control V. So we got this. It's from line number 20. We have this one, right? So let's just go to design first and check the IDs. So it is radio button 9, radio button 10, Q2 answer, 9, 10, and 12. Okay, so let's go to code. I am just changing this to radio button 9, radio button 9. Next one will be radio button 10. Next one will be radio button 12. And the correct answer will be Q2 answer, right? So let me check where it is. Yeah, Q2 answer. Okay, So, and this next button ID is button 5. So this time it's not button 4. So let's choose button 5. This is all perfect, right? So we have successfully coded the Q2 screen also. Now when this button is clicked, we have to set the screen to Q3 screen. So that's why I'm changing this to Q3 screen. And not only this we have to do, right? We also have to set the answer on label 20. It's not result label 1 anymore, right? So let's change this result label 1 to label 20. So this is label 20. This is also label 20. This one also label 20. And this also on label 20. Okay, so this is all. Now we have to do the same thing for Q3 screen again. Okay, so let's click on Q3 screen. Let's go to design and let's see what are the IDs of these. Radio button 13, radio button 14, 15, and Q3 answer. 13, 14, 15, and Q3 answer. Okay, so let's just scroll down completely. So I will now paste this one more time. Like, yes, you can see over here. It's radio button 13, right? So radio button 13, radio button 14, radio button 15, and last one will be Q3 answer. So it's Q3 answer, and the label value is label 26. So let's choose label 26. Yes, here it is, label 26, label 26. So next one also label 26, and last one label 26. Okay, so this is fine. And the button ID is this time button 6. So I'm choosing button 6 over here. And it's not Q2 screen anymore, it's screen 7 now, right? So it's screen 7. So because this is the last screen, sorry, screen 7, so this is the last screen. So I have to set the screen to screen 7. Screen 7. That's it. So this is all the code for your quiz app, right? It seems lengthy, but this is not really hard, right? It's very simple and easy. We just had to copy paste the code and we had to write the things. Okay. So let's just first run this and check if it is working fine or no, right? So run. Yes, it is starting off with the first screen now. When I say start quiz, yeah, it is going to the next question. So if I click on the wrong answer, Jawaharlal Nehru, it is saying oops, wrong, right? So I think the text has is so big. So let's just remove oops. So I'm just removing oops from the thing. So let's remove it from everywhere. I think I will remove wow also. Okay. So you can do it for all other yes. I'm sorry. Yeah. So yeah, you can change this. Okay. So I will just reset and show you one more time. Let's run. Start quiz. So let's click on Jawaharlal Nehru. Yes, wrong answer. Narendra Modi is correct answer. Okay. So let's click on next. Yes, second question. I'm clicking on Pratibha Patil. This is wrong answer. I'm clicking on Draupadi Murmu. Yes, it's correct answer. Next, first I'll click on Indira Gandhi. It's wrong answer. B.R. Ambedkar is the correct answer. Okay. So, and then when you click on next, yes, thank you for attempting the quiz. This is all. Okay. So, this is all about the quiz app, right? And if you have any queries regarding the app, you can absolutely comment in the comments below, right? And you can check out the quiz app link in the description box. I will be giving you this. If you want to start off fresh, then I will be giving you the new project link also. Okay. You can just click on the link. Using this remix option, you have to remix the project and you can start off from there. Okay. So, yes, this is all about the quiz coding. Okay. We will be meeting in the next video with another app, right? I hope you understood how to create a multi screen app and how to work with the screens, right? Using the set screen function. Okay. So, please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, Folks Hub. I will be meeting you in the next video. Bye bye till then, and have a great day, guys.